Hi, in this video, we will see access modifiers in Java. Okay, so Java provides 4 access modifiers. An access modifier restricts the access of classes, variables, methods, and constructors. Okay, so there are 4 types of access modifiers in Java. Those are used to restrict the access of classes, variables, methods, and constructors. Your access means visibility. You can say like scope of that particular variable or a class or method, constructor, whatever it is. Okay, so following are the access modifiers in Java. That is, first one is default. Other way of means another name is package private. This is called package private, otherwise default. Second one, private. Third one, protected. Fourth one, public. So we will discuss in detail about all these things. So default access modifier. So if you do not mention any access modifier, it is called default access modifier. The scope of this modifier is limited to the package only. Means if you have a class within the default access modifier in the package, with the default access modifier in a package, only those classes that are in this package can access this class. Similarly, if we have a default method or variables in a class, it would not be visible in the class of another package. Okay, so if you want to discuss more about this, we know already what is package, right? So package means folder structure. Okay, folder structure. You have a package P1. Okay, inside this you have class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. Means there are 5 classes are there in your package. Okay, you may have other package P2. Here also class 6, class 7, class 8. Let's assume something like this. So if you do not mention any access modifier, means we will say public int I is equals to 0, right? So here you are mentioning public, but if you mention int I is equals to 0, so there is no access modifier. Then by default it is default. Okay, if you do not mention any public, private, protected, then that will become default. Okay, if it is default, the scope of this modifier is similar, limited to the package. So if you create any default thing in class 1, that can only be accessible outside of this class, means only other 4 classes only. Okay, but if you want to access that from the package P2, from the class 6 or class 7, class 8, that is not possible. Okay, you can access default things within this package only. If something is defined in the class 6 as default, that is only accessible between these classes, means in the P2 package only. You cannot access from the P1 package classes. And the same way, package 1 classes, means all default things cannot be accessed from the P2 package classes. That is only restricted to this package. Inside this package, how many classes are there? Everything can access these default things. That is called default. Means, so you have a class 1, you have class 2, inside this you have int I is equals to something 0. Here you can create an object C2, C is equals to new C2, and C of I you can access. If the C2 is in the same package, if the C2 is from other package, that cannot be accessed, something like this. You cannot, with the object of that class, you cannot access this default things. Maybe default constructor or default variable, right? Anything. So let me clear this. That is called default. In a package, only those class in this package can access in this class. No other class outside this package cannot be accessed this class. You have default method or variable. Means if you want to call a method which is default, you cannot access with the help of that object outside the package. Okay, inside the package means any class you can access. Okay. And now we will see the next one. Private access modifier. The scope of private access modifier is limited to the class only. So class only means where you initialized that are defined. Private data members and methods are only accessible within the class. Class and interface cannot be declared as private. If a class has private constructor, then you cannot create the object of that class from outside of the class. Okay. So if you discuss about these things, you have a class. So class C. So inside this, if you say private int I is equals to 0, okay, then this I can be accessed only inside this class. Okay, but not outside this class. Even if it is in the same package also, you cannot access. Private means only restricted to that class where you declared or initialized. Okay, in the package P1, if you have C1 class, C2 class, if I want to access from the C2 class, no, you cannot. The reason is it is private to this class only. The least visibility of any variable or class is private. If you declared this as private, you can access only within this class, not outside of this class. And class and interface cannot be declared as private. Normally we will see public class C, right? So, but you cannot mention private class. Okay, so this is not possible. And you have a class, public class, I can say sample. Okay, I can say sample. So inside this, if you have a constructor sample, so this should be same, right? Name of the class and constructor should be same. Then only that method is called constructor. If you put private for this constructor, then you cannot create an object for this class. What we have done here, we have seen that if it is this one, you can create a class, object, and you can access default things, right? But if you mention something one class inside the class one private constructor, you cannot create object. Sample S is equals to new sample. This is not possible. Okay, and we discussed the same thing in our constructor topic. When you are discussing in the constructors, there we discussed. Okay, if you mention any constructor as a private, you cannot create an object for that class. This is called private access modifier. Okay. So let me go to the next one. Protected access modifier. Protected data members and methods are only accessible by the classes of the same package and the subclasses present in any package. So you can also say that the protected access modifier is similar to default access modifier with one exception, that is has visibility in subclasses. It is very similar to the default, but only exception is if some other class means one class is inheriting properties of other class from the outside of the package. If there is a parent-child relation, then you can access protected information. Classes cannot be declared as protected. This access modifier is generally used in a parent-child relation. So if you talk about this thing, we have one of the topic called inheritance. This is very important in OOPS concept, object-oriented programming, that we will discuss. But as of now, so inheritance means getting the properties of one class to another class. Okay, if you say class parent, okay, class parent, and I have class child. Okay, this is in package P1 and this is in package P2. Okay, so normally default means if other classes from the same package can access, I can say protected int I is equals to 10. Okay, this is protected. So normally by default means if it with the default you can access all the classes within the same package. But with the protected, what is the advantage is, if a class from other package is inheriting, how it will inherit? So with the help of extends is a keyword, parent. Okay, class child extends parent means it will get all the properties of parent class to child class. So now you can access this I here. Okay, you can access this I here from this child, but this is in another package. Even though you can access if there is a relation between parent and child using this extends keyword. Okay, in that case you can access protected what is it, data members. Protected data members, you can access something like this: all the classes within the package, outside the package the classes which are extending these class, where you declare this protected data member. Okay, so that is what protected. And then the next one is public. So the members, methods and classes that are declared public can be accessed from anywhere. This modifier does not put any restriction on the class. Okay, public means full visibility. If you have 1,000 packages, 10,000 classes, okay, if it is declared in one package in one class, from the 100 packages, 1,000 classes, you can access this information. There is no restriction. So that is called public. So when you write some code, try to put the least access modifier. Okay, put private. Okay, so after some time, if you want to access that from other class, okay, so that is in same package, then try to change it default. Okay, sometimes if you want to use the same thing in other class from the other package, if you have a inheritance relation parent child, then change it to protected. But if you want to access that in wherever you want, means there is no such rule, then you put public. So but start from the private. Okay, according to your requirement, change the visibility of that particular data member. Okay, so this is public. So if you talk about with the diagrammatic way of this, so if you talk about access modifier public, within the class you can use, within the package you can use, subclass in the same package you can use, subclass in different package you can use, outside the class you can use. There is no restriction. But coming to the protected, within the class you can use. Okay, this is always. But coming to the protected, within the class you can use, within the package you can use. Subclass means there is a relation between parent and child using extends keyword. There you can use. Subclass in different package, right? Subclass in same package, even there is no need to mention this parent child, but if you want you can use, but without this also you can use. Okay, but in the different package also you can use, but outside this class and there is no relation between means there is no parent child relation, then you cannot use. Coming to the default, within the same class you can use, within the package you can use, subclass in the same package anyhow, within the same package, right? Because of that you can use, but subclass of different package outside of the class you cannot use. Coming to the private, only within the class. Apart from that, no other rules will work for this. Okay, so this is all visibility of your members. That is called access modifiers or scope. Okay, this is all about access modifiers in Java. So what could be the possible interview questions from this? What are access modifiers in Java? What is the use of access modifiers in Java? Difference between these access modifiers in Java? You may face these kind of questions. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.